Time for a change? If you're looking for a new opportunity with Oxford's #1 driving school, this is the perfect time. Local Driving Academy is recruiting professional, conscientious driving instructors just like you. We're proud to be different from the rest. Unlike national companies, we don't charge an introductory fee, and because we're so confident you'll be happy with your change, we'll provide you with a car without even tying you into a contract. There are no silly offers or reduced prices just to get new learners on board. Our feedback and pass rates speak for themselves. LDA is the busiest driving school in Oxford, and we've recently been voted the best school in the area for the 4th year running. This is a company where you can thrive, and we'll never take you for granted. Your skills and experience are important to us, which is why we consistently receive great reviews from both learners and instructors. We're friendly and supportive, with a private WhatsApp group where you can share ideas and ask questions at a time that suits you, whether you're looking to discuss a particular case confidentially or simply share some tips. Your fellow instructors will be just a message away. We've got the highest reviews on Google and a growing team of happy instructors who love what they do. So, if you want to be part of a happy, successful team where you'll be supported and be able to choose hours that work for you, contact Local Driving Academy today.